Welcome to Fly Over the Map. Today, we find ourselves in Mexico. Feel free to leave a comment letting me know which building or landmark you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today's location we find in Mexicali. We are flying over the Bosque Zoológico de la Ciudad, Zoo, today. Let's enjoy the view. Bosque Zoológico de la Ciudad, located in Mexicali, Mexico, is a popular recreational destination combining a family-friendly zoo and a lush urban park. Spanning approximately 14 hectares, this site is a hub of biodiversity, education, and leisure, drawing both locals and tourists to experience its unique offerings. The zoo is home to over 400 animals representing more than 50 species, including mammals, reptiles, and birds from various parts of the world. Visitors can observe lions, tigers, zebras, and a variety of primates, as well as species native to Mexico such as coyotes and ocelots. The zoo emphasizes conservation and education, working to protect endangered species and promote awareness about wildlife. Informational displays accompany the enclosures, providing insights into the habitats, behaviors, and ecological importance of the animals. In addition to the animal exhibits, Bosque Zoológico de la Ciudad features a botanical area filled with native plants and trees, offering a serene and educational environment for visitors to explore. This space highlights the flora of the Baja California region, emphasizing the importance of preserving the area's natural ecosystems. We look forward to welcoming you on board again next time for Fly Over the Map. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like or comment.